Okay, what to look for? You're a property owner, you have a big parking lot, you had it paved 4, 5, 6 years ago. How do you know it's ready? When do I need to do something with my parking lot? So here we are. This pavement's never been touched. It's brand new, probably 5, 6 years old. Now you're starting to see the aging signs. The top is bleached out. You see all this loose gravel over here on the edges. That's the asphalt coming apart. That's where your fines are coming out of the blacktop. You want to walk over here? We'll show you another area. Perfect. This is a great, perfect paving job. The guys did an excellent job paving this. We didn't pave it, but another company that did. These joints you see right here will start coming apart sooner than later. It's dry, it's brittle, and these freeze-thaw cycles will put a big hurting on this parking lot. You see the joints where they paved, one there, one over there. This lot is dry. The top inch, probably a half inch, is brittle. It's dried out. And right over here is all your gravel, your loose fines off the surface. Or right here, there's a big pile of them right here in the low spot. This is how you know. That's your money being washed away. That's your money. So you might as well you could take some money and just throw it down there and just let it go, because that's what's happening. Parking lots are usually overlooked a lot until there's a major pothole and it's a crisis issue. But let's be proactive and catch this stuff. Even if this was swept up and people weren't driving over it, it would help significantly. This right here on blacktop, driving over it, it's like having sand on a paint job. It's not gonna help you at all. And as you can see, there's a pile of it down here. So here's your money right here. So you property owners, investment companies, managers, especially if you're an owner of properties like this, why would you spend thousands of dollars to have a parking lot repaved and then wait for it to fall completely apart again and have to spend thousands and thousands and downtime to have it patching, and then you got cracks and things of that nature, when it can be all prevented with maintenance? You change the oil in your truck, you wash your vehicle, I hope, you clean your kitchen. Same thing here, just the parking lot. You can spend pennies and save thousands, because this was definitely not a cheap paving job. And then you have downtime where you can't get in and out of here. The milling, the paving, just the inconvenience. You got brand new pavement, take care of it. It'll last you a long time. We treat this parking lot with the asphalt rejuvenator. I can reverse the age by 4 to 5 years easily. And when you go through the freeze-thaw cycle, I can't even talk today, freeze-thaw cycles, it won't crack. I'm not saying there won't be any cracks in the lot. We can't control all of them, but when you got a nice solid surface that you paved on, you can control most of it. That concludes this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you got anything out of this video, give us a like. It gives us support, keeps us going. I don't beg people to subscribe. You subscribe if you want. It's up to you. I get tired of hearing people subscribe, share, and yada, yada, yada. Anyway, that concludes this video. It is January the 6th, about 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning. I think it's the 6th. I need another cup of coffee. Have a good day.